This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up hard corner on your MacBook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Desktop operating system always have some very cool features that are placed front and center. At the same time, you'll find some handy addition tucked away that aren't often reported on. One such feature is called Hot Corner, which is a new feature. In fact, Hot Corner have been around for quite some time and are used on another operating system. So what are Hot Corner? Simply put, a hot corner is configured action that occurs when you move your cursor to one of the four corners of the desktop. Each hot corner can be configured with a different actions. So how to enable it on your MacBook? It's so simple. So you can just open your system preferences. You can go to desktop and screensaver. Click on screensaver and you'll find there is an option hot corner. You can just click on that. And then here, as you can see, I have set up, but I will try to set up it again. By default, if you haven't set up your hot corner, it will appear like this. So how to set up? You can just choose on the actions that you want to open on your corner for the bottom right here. But before you choose for the action, you can just press your shift key until there is an like an arrow icon appear on the actions. So you can just choose for the apps or action that you want to put on your hot corner, like this one. For the up right corner, I will choose like this, mission control for example, and from the bottom right, don't forget to press your shift key. It's to trigger the actions. You can enter, and I will choose desktop. After you finish, you can just click on OK. So now let's try to trigger it. To open the hot corner, don't forget to press the shift key and your arrow. You can do like this, so it will appear. Here's to the up right corner and up left corner and like this. So simple, right? So that is how to set up your hot corner on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So thank you and see you.